In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror or screencast your phone to your Samsung Smart TV so that your Samsung Smart TV can start displaying and mirroring everything from your phone to the TV. Now this is going to be a very easy and simple one, and trust me, it is going to work on both your Android and iPhones. So what you want to do basically is to make sure that both your phone and your Samsung Smart TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So go ahead and make sure that your phone is actually connected to your Wi-Fi, and then you also want to make sure that your Samsung Smart TV is also connected to the same Wi-Fi. If you do not know how to connect your Samsung Smart TV to a Wi-Fi, what you want to do is to just head over to the settings of your Samsung Smart TV, which is over here, this gear icon. Go ahead and select it, and from the settings of your Samsung Smart TV, you want to scroll down until you get to general over here. Go ahead and select the general settings, and then just come down to network, select network, and then also come down to open network settings over here. Click on it, and then you also want to go ahead and select wireless, which is basically a wireless Wi-Fi network. Now from the list of Wi-Fi networks over here, you want to make sure that your Samsung Smart TV is actually connected to any Wi-Fi network. It can be your home Wi-Fi or just any device you're using as your Wi-Fi. In my case, you can literally see that my Samsung Smart TV is connected to Redmi 12, which I am basically using as my Wi-Fi in this particular video. So make sure that your Samsung Smart TV is also connected to a Wi-Fi network, and once that is done, you want to go back to the home of your Samsung Smart TV. And finally, now that you're sure that your Samsung Smart TV is connected to a Wi-Fi network and your phone is also connected to that same Wi-Fi, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, what you want to do is to basically go over to the settings of your phone. So just go ahead and open up the settings of whatever phone you're using, and obviously depending on the brand or type of phone you're using, your settings might actually be different from what I have over here. But basically what you want to do is to come over to this top search bar over here, and then you want to go ahead and search for the cast or screen mirroring option. Now in most phones, this is actually named cast or screen mirroring. So if you search for the cast option and you do not find it, then just go ahead and search for screen mirroring. In my case, it is actually the cast option, so I'll go ahead and search for cast. Alternatively, you can even come over to the top notification center over here on your phone, and then you're going to see the cast option just at the top of the notification center of your phone. So you want to go ahead and check it here if you also do not find it from the settings of your phone. So go ahead and click on this option, and from the cast option, you want to go ahead and just turn this on, and then automatically your mobile phone will start looking for available devices it can actually connect and cast to. So basically what you want to do is to go ahead and select the name of your Samsung Smart TV. As you can see over here, mine is actually a Series 5 32-inch, so I'll just go ahead and select it just like so, and then it's just going to take a minute or two. Then you're going to see this notification over here on your Samsung Smart TV for you to grant the permission for your phone to cast to your Samsung Smart TV. So basically you want to use your remote control and just select allow, and automatically my mobile phone will be casted to my Samsung Smart TV. As you can see, everything on my mobile phone is now being displayed on my Samsung Smart TV, and it works absolutely well. So I can go ahead and start playing music, and start playing games, and even watch and stream content from my phone, and it will be displayed on my Samsung Smart TV over here. So basically that is how to screen mirror or screencast your phone to your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.